test of the Mesa Boogie Rocket. I just done some maintenance on it. I replaced this standby switch. I replaced every single one of these control pots because I noticed the amp had a little bit of volume issues, and I had already tested all the bypass capacitors in it, and they were all good. And I tested the stability of the power caps and the power section. Everything was good, so I just replaced those things. And then this was a microphonic standby switch. It was so loose that when you had it at volume, it would vibrate, and it was sending a signal through basically the whole amp. Turn this on. Got it on rhythm here. If you put the gain around 8, put it on 3, it really doesn't. Really good crunch to it. A little bit more.